concerned about the car rolling on top of you, what are 2 things that you can do to safeguard against that?
Put a little stoppy thing on the tire.
Yeah, that's one.
Put it in gear.
Obviously, the e-brake is pull.
Yep.
Right?
But e-brake and gear.
But if you pull the e-brake and put it in gear,
That'll.
then you can pretty much guarantee.
And plus it's front wheel drive, so even better.
No, because what you're worried about is the parking brake.
Oh, look at the gecko.
What you'd be worried about is the parking brake breaking loose.
Dad, when you open the shed door, there's a white gecko that ran out.
Is it done draining?
Yeah.
Did you take the oil filter off?
Out?
Did you take the oil filter out? Climb back down there. Yeah, the oil filter can sometimes be a beast to get out, but the good thing is for you, where's that drain plug? Here. Is it done dripping for the most part?
Yeah.
All right, you can put that back in.
Oh no, it's still dripping a little.
And just put the plug or the drain plug up there somewhere. Up top. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to get in there with your hands, and you're gonna have to spin it like this.
Oh, it's coming up easy. Yeah, it came up super easy.
Okay. That's gonna drip too. So
Same thing with the lawnmower.
go ahead. Now try to keep it level.
Close enough.
One reason why you never want to wear good clothes when you're doing this.
Too late.
Go wipe it off. We'll wipe it off first. We'll take it down. Okay. Great.
I'm turning brown. Wow. Burns my skin a little bit. I don't know if I want that. Yeah, it's turning it red. I could say it now. Just kidding, guys. No, I can't.
this.
Reefy?
Which one are you gonna use? This one?
The one I just bought.
Alright, so what I always do. I used to have the stickers. I don't know what they are. So we'll have to go and use. Just right here. That's what I always do.
I have no idea the day.
How many miles are there?
No idea. You have to start the car at the same.
Come here. Now, anytime you're doing oil, you always want to fill your oil filter
Yeah, you told me that with the
like
motors.
a half to 3/4. Alright? Come over here. Open that sucker up. And we'll fill that.
Can't really because my hands are still oily. Pour it?
No, right here. Just, I'm going to use the funnel. Just a little bit. A little bit. There we go. That's out.
Yeah, that's so much better oil than what was in it before. Yeah.
Oh, no, dude.
Oh yeah, we gotta plug it. You're right.
Alright, now the most important thing with this, take a little bit of that, rub it on here. When you go to put the new one on, make sure that this gasket is not still up there. Make sure it's on the old oil filter. Because if you leave that gasket, this gasket comes off. See?
Yeah.
If you leave that gasket, and then you put this one on there, it's not going to seal, and you're going to lose. Oil's going to go everywhere. It's going to blow your motor. So always make sure that the gasket is accounted for. Alright?
Should I go? How many of those big old lights?
Keep it flat 'cause it's got a little.
Well, what about the little thing? Is it in there?
Huh?
Is it in there?
Well, you gotta look. Lay flat.
I don't know what it could be.
Just look at the old oil filter.
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh man, that oil is cooked. Dip your finger in the oil, the old oil, and smell it.
It smells terrible.
What does it smell like?
Like burning.
Like burnt, right?
Plug me in, stupidary.
What? Put it on there. Come on. Running out of daylight.
It's on.
Now you want to make it tighter than what it was before.
Yeah, it was not tight at all.
No, not even a little bit.
Okay, it's pretty tight.
Don't ruin your shirt.
It's alright. I have two of these, and this one's way too small for me anyways. I was gonna give it to Ava.
You put your drink clothes back in yet?
No. Dang, it's still going?
Now that one, when you tighten that, you want it to be tight, just like it was before. But don't round that bolt. Make sure it's on. Make sure it's on straight and centered.
Can you, where's the, I need a light. Thank you. You wanna come check it?
No?
You have more strength than me.
Well, think about it. In the position you're in, where are you going to have more force? Pulling or pushing?
Pushing?
Pushing, right? So turn your wrench so that you're using the ground against your back and pushing up. Just make sure you're straight on it. It doesn't need to be, you know, over tightened, but you want it to be nice and snug. And if you can't move it anymore, it's perfect.
Alright, I can't. I really can't.
All right. Good enough. Come on out.
Alright, where are we from? Here. Yeah.
Alright, time to add the fresh oil. Okay, so what you want to do, look right here. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. Come here, look. Air conditioner, lubricant. Alright, so now you need to look right here. Reef, come here. What does this say?
Fuel, gasoline.
Alright, so we're looking for the one that has your oil quantities. Here. Where's your dipstick?
All messages I get saying I need a dipstick.
What we're going to want to do, just go ahead and add it. Well, no. Let's do it safe. You're gonna push me backwards so I come off these rips.
Okay.
We'll add the oil when it's flat.
Reef, you might want to move, buddy. That was easy.
Alright. Get your oil. We're gonna add about half of that bottle. Have it judge half.
Tomorrow, it's 3 o'clock.
Huh?
It's 3 o'clock. Right? It's 3 o'clock.
Hold it up straight. Right this way. So right there. 2 quarts. This is 4 quarts. So we're about half. 2. Is that 5? That should be 5 quarts. Yeah, 5 quarts. What is it? 2.5. So we're right here. Dude, you're pouring all over this stuff. What are you doing?
It's not going straight.
Take this out. Pour it all over. Take the tag out. When it starts doing that, don't keep pouring it. Take that piece out. That's what I was going to do. The mosquitoes are crazy.
So bad.
Take the tag out. This stuff.
So what does that really do? Attaboy, Lucas. bottles.
Keep going.
Whole bottle?
Mm-hmm.
Like geese?
It says that it takes 6 quarts.
What?
That's a lot of oil.
Oh my gosh.
Hear them?
Yeah, I've seen them.
You saw them? Or you see them? You don't see them.
I've seen them.
Alright, now try it. Now check the fluid. So it takes 6 quarts. That's 5 quarts. And that Lucas is 4 quarts.
These mosquitoes.
I think we come up here. Right now. Freaking awful. And then dip it.
I can't really see. It's
Dip it. Hold it flat.
good. I hate these mosquitoes.
Alright, take the funnel out.
Okay.
Put the cap back on.
Where you want for this?
Down here with this guy.
Holy
Alright,
moly.
get the bottle of oil. Put it on the ground. Put the funnel in the hole. You're gonna take the old oil filter and put it in the new oil filter box. Preferably the other way because now it's just dripping into the box, but whatever. It's fine. Alright, now you're gonna pour the old oil from here. You're gonna pour it into the new oil container. Pour it in there. You don't have to hold the phone, just hold the thing. Jeez, Jax, pouring it everywhere.
I just put a little bit.
Well, move that stuff. Move that stuff onto the oil. No, this. Move it. Put that there. There. That absorbs the oil. Alright, put the cap back on. Put that in here. Alright, now we'll take that to the store and recycle it. Alright, start cleaning stuff up. That's it. The oil you can take to the auto parts store and then put it in there. They have a recycle bin for used oil. So we'll take that, but now it's in a sealed container. So you need to mark it somehow that you know it's used oil. Just take that Sharpie and write
Well, we gotta drive the car with
an X on the top. So look. X. That means it's that oil. Alright, push it things away.
Where's my socket? I don't feel the